worked. Guys, today we are back with the E36 and we are going to fit... Ta-da! What is it?
It's a Coolerworx short shifter, spring loaded, return, cancel, reverse, middigger.
Nice.
Thanks.
I have absolutely no idea how to fit this. James has watched a bunch of videos, but he has to report.
None of them had interiors in them, so we'll just...
remove the interior?
Yeah, the best we can.
Let's get started.
So the first thing you want to do is yank that gear knob as hard as you can upwards. Go ahead, pull it off.
Shut up, really?
Yeah, you just pull it.
You're probably better at this than me.
Alright. Oh, just like that there.
Yeah, that's a nice little effect there.
Thanks. A wee bit of dust.
What are you doing now?
I was going to see if this gator came out, but... Right, that's it. There you go. Does this come out? Oh, what's that? Oh, look, we're flying!
It's basically done.
Right, you want to see this for a wee trick?
Oh,
that's gross. Oh, the screw that I was going to remove has already been removed.
Nice.
Ideal. Oh! That's pretty fancy.
Go through that. I don't know, you seem to be doing pretty well here.
Thanks.
You obviously watched the video that you didn't show me.
You don't do sound effects.
I liked your face before.
Ready for the effect? Oh, so gross.
Plastic now has to go, I take it?
Yeah, I can get this off. I also don't know what this carpet bit is about.
This is the carpet.
No, but none of the videos I've seen had carpet.
Well, they probably removed the carpet. Sure, we just cut the carpet back to the edge. Do you know what's that in your video that you kept secret?
I didn't watch the video.
So you just know how to take an E36 apart?
Yeah. Oh, there is a wee screw in there. Hold on a wee second.
Comes down. We put this in. I goes, I have no idea how to put it in. He goes, neither do I. And then he does that. What? Where's that screw gonna fall to if I like it? If this drops. You got it?
My hands.
Yeah.
So just as easy as that. So we need to remove this carpet.
Alright. Burn it out?
Yeah, fair. I'm sure there's some E36 diehards that are crying right now. Weird. Because we got the direct fit kit, there's no drilling required. So we just attach it to these holes that are in here, but I don't see any holes.
What do you mean?
What's that? Ah! I don't know if that's the preferred technique. We'll put it in. There should be one there, is there? It's not bad.
Pretty dope. So you have to put, obviously, the jacket up and...
Alright, so now I have to go underneath it.
And does it connect into this thing?
So can you see on the left of it there that there's a bit of linkage?
Just onto that one there on the side?
Yeah.
But you have, so we'll have to, what about this thing? Does this thing all come out?
Yeah, we're going to take this whole thing out.
Just one last shebang.
Hello. That's low-key creepy.
There you go. She's out. What's that? What do you have to do?
There's a clip at the end of it.
There's enough carpet in here to fucking carpet the whole Taj Mahal. I do Saturdays down at Martin Phillips. I might as well be fucking using a paper straw to fucking stir a soup. I kind of can see what I have to do here, but more chance of JP fucking cracking a smile 10 days in a row than me getting this out. Oh my head's so heavy and fat. My big head. Yeah, best luck to that. Pull me out. I just came back down and this guy is like, oh, look at him. Give us a whirl.
Can't really bend over though because it goes right up.
Well, I didn't ask you to bend over.
That's the first thing that you said whenever you came down.
So you give us a whirl?
No, you said bend over. I went, I swear I can't do that.
First of all, I didn't say it, and second of all...
You did, like, you did.
Have you shown the issue on the camera?
No, it's impossible to show. I can't even see it.
Let me have a go.
Alright.
Alright, here's the stitch. So there's the hole where the sticky goes to change gear. This bit here is where it connects to, just to connect to this linkage. Oh shit. See this linkage here? There it is. And then on the other side, way down there, James is gonna circle it, is the clip we have to get off. But you know, all this asbestos carpet is in the way. This thing, right here.
What happened?
I got it first try.
My man.
Well, I've already tried for like 20 minutes already.
Give me it! Let me take it!
There we go.
Wonderful. Asbestos got him.
I'm alive! For how long? Yeah, I stick this in. James told me off because I didn't film it. But it's in, as you can see. But it's not connected. Oh, it looks connected. It's connected. The end. The thing is, James, I'm covered in asbestos because you go down and then you go, I can't get it out of him. And then I have to go do it.
Wow.
I get covered in asbestos.
You did it, didn't you?
Give me the fucking torque.
I don't have it. You have it. Is
With
it
the
there?
gun?
No.
Yes, I do not use these tools. Just realised that wasn't on it either.
Oh, that's what I was laughing
I
at.
know. Neck and then we'll see.
You got
Yeah,
him.
don't shoot that.
You got him out straight
I
on.
didn't do that. I never did that. Thought it might be same time. Alright. Take it down.
The third and fourth.
Well, like, that's just enough.
Yeah. Fucking sorted.
I like that noise.
Me too.
Just turn traction control off.
Did you? Yeah.
Like an N64. It worked.
Nice.
Oh, alright, that. We're the boys. Traction control's on. It's about 4 days later. You know the drill by now. You know the drill. It's 4 days later. We never finished it because we went home. Alright. Anyway, James has brought his special box of tools in here.
I don't have them on me.
They're here.
It's my fossil cleaning kit.
It is actually your fossil cleaning kit, like.
That's what I clean my fossils with.
You're being deadly serious though, just so people know.
Yeah. I clean fossils.
Anyway, so what are we doing?
And these are all the things that I found in the back seat.
Right, so these all need to go back into that, which is what needs to happen today.
And we're gonna guess.
Oh god.
We're gonna guess which of these we need to do that.
But like, does something need cut in this? Is that why we have the fossil drilling kit?
Yeah. Whenever this bad boy goes back on, it's not gonna clear this other bad boy.
Do we just cut it like here and here, or do we cut it right here and make it flush? That'd be stupid, wouldn't it?
No, I'm gonna say here and here.
Okay. It's a bit messing like. Next job to cut is this thing, which should we cut it like here? Or should we cut it here and try and wrap it around?
Wrap it around. That sounds like a bit of crowd.
Is that what we're doing?
Ah.
That sounds absolutely great. Can't wait.
my god.
Hang on.
Would you look at that? Did that come from BMW, like?
I think it did, like.
Look at it!
Did I win the Oscar for that?
That's fantastic. You wouldn't even know.
Oh, boys.
What's this? It's the only thing that we have left.
It's an art project. So yeah. That's us, guys. This is third take. That's why I did that movement. Anyway, next week we are going to Worthesea on Wednesday, the 11th to the 18th of May. Join us at XS Car Night. So if you're watching this in Austria, Germany, wherever, or even here and you want to fly, we're going to XS Car Night. We're putting up a trade stand, and it's our first trade stand in Europe since, mainland Europe, since 2019. So we're pretty excited about it. We've got 5 products. We're bringing a hoodie, a t-shirt, a hat, air freshener, and a little limited edition keyring. They're all limited edition for our Worthesea collection. So if you want to get one of those products, you have to go to XS Car Night for the first release of it. There will be an online release later when the film drops, but if you are wanting to get the first release, make sure you go to the event. Except for that, we're also going to be filming at Worthesea for an entire week. So get in contact with us on the DMs if you've got a good car and you want to be in the film. And yeah, next week we'll probably go through some of the products and talk about Worthesea. Hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, guys, this is a brand new YouTube channel. We have no subscribers. Help us out with the algorithm and subscribe. Drop us a comment, ask us a question. We are replying, and like the video and do everything else that people do, these things in the video.